Imagine a computer so small, it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes that $3,000 workstation you bought last year look like a plastic toy. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was just the budget Mac. It was the one you bought when you couldn't afford a Pro or when you just needed a cheap box to run a server in your closet. But something fundamental changed in late 2024 with the M4 redesign. And now in 2026, Apple is about to pull the trigger on a device that shouldn't legally exist. We are talking about the Mac Mini M5. This isn't just a spec bump. This is the first time Apple is using a technology they call Fusion architecture in a desktop this small. This is the Mac Studio killer we have been waiting for. It is finally here to disrupt everything we know about desktop computing. There is a reason the leaks are coming out of the supply chain with such intensity right now. Professional video editors are actually holding off on buying the expensive Mac Studio. Why? Because the M5 Mac Mini is about to destroy the very idea of a budget computer. Think about the sheer audacity of what is happening here. While the rest of the industry is struggling to keep up with power-hungry chips that require massive cooling and giant power bricks, Apple is going the opposite direction. They are shrinking the brain and expanding its power. The M5 chip isn't just another iteration. It is the first consumer chip built on a refined nanometer process that pushes the absolute boundaries of physics. But here's the part that will make you stop and stare. The GPU. The latest leaks suggest a massive 45% jump in graphics performance over the already fast M4. That isn't just a generational improvement. That is a generational leap. If you are a gamer, a 3D artist, or someone who lives in Final Cut Pro, that 45% is the difference between waiting for a render and being finished before you even realize it. This puts the base Mac Mini in direct competition with dedicated desktop graphics cards. It is a level of power that simply shouldn't fit in a box this small. However, there's a massive catch that everyone is talking about. A price hike is looming. Apple is moving production to places that might change that made in China sticker to something much closer to home. Specifically, rumors point to a brand new facility in Houston, Texas. You might wonder why Apple would put this much power into a box that costs less than an iPhone. To understand that, you have to understand the Apple intelligence endgame. We are moving into an era where AI doesn't happen in the cloud anymore. It happens locally on your desk. The M5's neural engine is rumored to be 3.5 times faster than the M4. That is an insane jump. This isn't just for a smarter Siri. This is for real-time video upscaling, running local large language models, and AI-driven coding that happens instantly. Apple wants the Mac Mini M5 to be the central AI brain of your entire home. They want you to have a supercomputer in your living room that handles your data privately and locally, but can a device this small actually handle the heat? The M4 redesign was tiny, measuring just 5 by 5 inches. If the M5 is 30% more powerful, how does it stay cool without melting through your desk? The answer lies in a hidden internal redesign of the thermal pillars. This involves a cutting-edge 2.5D packaging technology. This technology separates the CPU and GPU into different physical tiles. This spreads the heat across the entire chip surface instead of creating one massive hotspot in the center. It allows the Mac Mini to maintain pro-level speeds for hours without ever sounding like a jet engine taking off. It is silent, deadly, and incredibly efficient. Let's look at the silicon itself, because this is where the magic happens. The M5 and the M5 Pro are the stars of the show here. The base M5 is expected to feature a 10-core CPU architecture, but with a brand new twist. They are using what engineers are calling supercores. These are cores optimized specifically for single-threaded bursts. This is the secret sauce that makes a computer feel snappy. When you click a heavy app and it opens instantly, that is the supercore at work. But the M5 Pro is where the real fusion happens. It is rumored to connect the CPU and GPU tiles with interconnect speeds we have never seen in a consumer device. We are talking about memory bandwidth exceeding 300 gigabytes per second. To put that in perspective, that is faster than most high-end gaming PCs that cost 3 times as much. Another huge change that people are overlooking is the storage. Reports suggest the M5 Mac Mini will feature a revolutionary new SSD controller. This could potentially double the read and write speeds compared to the M4. We're looking at theoretical speeds up to 14.5 gigabytes per second. This means you could move a 100 gigabytes 8K video file in about 7 seconds. It effectively turns your internal storage into an extension of your RAM. When your storage is this fast, the computer never has to wait for data. Everything is just there. It changes the way the operating system handles multitasking entirely. But we have to talk about the Texas factor. Apple has officially confirmed they are bringing Mac Mini production to a new high-tech factory in Houston. This is one of the biggest shifts in Apple's supply chain history. For decades, the Mac Mini was built in China and Vietnam. Moving to the US might help Apple avoid international tariffs, but it comes with a cost. Higher labor costs in the US mean the price has to go somewhere. This is likely why we are hearing rumors of a significant price increase. The days of the $599 Mac Mini might be coming to an end. We could see the base model jump to $699 or even $799. It's a bitter pill to swallow. But when you look at the performance, it's still a bargain. In my opinion. The Mac Mini M5 represents the proification of the entry-level Mac for the first time. It is no longer a budget compromise. It is a legitimate powerhouse that fits in your backpack. It is small enough to hide behind a monitor, but powerful enough to replace a Mac Studio for 90% of professional users. It is also packed with the latest connectivity, including Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, making it future-proof for the next 5 years. The combination of Fusion architecture, insane AI capabilities, and the move to US manufacturing makes this one of the most significant releases in Mac history. If you have been waiting to upgrade your desk setup, the wait is officially over. The M5 Mac Mini is the new king of the desktop. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.